Gaganachukki Falls is located near the island town of Shivanasamudra in Mandya district of Karnataka, India. Shivanasamudra literally means Shiva's sea. The waterfalls is created by river Kaveri and is divided into two branches, Gaganachukki and Barachukki waterfalls. These two waterfalls are considered to be among the best 100 waterfalls in the world. The Gaganachukki waterfall has an average height of 98 meters. This is Asia's first hydroelectric power station that was set up in the year 1902 and is still functional.